Hola cabrón, nos acabamos de pedir unos bar burrito. We just ordered food from here, some fries, and some tacos. Unos taquitos, guacamole, sauce, chips. Also ordered some fries. These fries are pretty good, huh? If you want to have good fries, order fries from a place that don't make fries. Now, so like a shawarma place. Me refiero a un lugar que no se especializa en papa frita. A place that doesn't specialize in fries. That's what I meant. Mexican, un mexicano, probably even the Chinese, huh? Japanese, probably all the Asian restaurants, quizás todos los asiáticos, they may have good fries because since that's not their specialty, ya que no es su especialidad, they probably put some good effort in making them, right? Quizás le ponen un buen esfuerzo en hacerla. Just a guess, huh? Entonces viene con las papas, comes with the fries, chips, or nachos, or Doritos, tortilla chips, I don't know what you want to call it. And it comes with 3 tacos. Viene con 3 tacos and I ordered pulled pork. Me pedí los de, no sé cómo se dice, los de cerdo. What's the name of this? I can't remember the name, but I added some guacamole, some sour cream. You'll notice that I'm not Mexican, so I have no idea how to make the proper mix. No sé cuál es la mezcla correcta. I'll just put whatever I think I like. But it's pretty good. Pretty oily, pretty juicy. Oh, look at all that meat, huh? Muy buena. Yeah, but it's, like I said, pretty juicy. Un montón de jugo. Look at that. All those juices. Look at it. Harto jugo. Okay, but that's it. I just wanted to show you. It's pretty good. Just the first bite. And I'll see you soon. See you later. Nos vemos.